Dear Chandrababu Naidu garu, I would like to introduce myself as a Indian citizen and from our state Andhra Pradesh. For your kind information, I am not a politician, not a businessman, not a social activist, not a social servant, and I don't have any courage to fight like our national heroes on the streets. Here I came for you to give you a small message, so you have to bear with me for a few minutes. My humble request you to please don't disturb our agricultural lands in the name of new capital. Past few weeks you have seen physically what's the situation of people suffered when cutting the food or water resources in Vizag. I don't know what exact reason decides you, but intentionally you have selected all agriculture 30,000 acres of land to build city. We don't need any Singapore towers or Chicago skyscraper with waterfront view. Just we need proper food, proper education, proper shelter, proper medicine within our limited budget. All these lands what you have elected were well fertilized with water and other resources, and all over the year farmers are growing different kind of crops and getting good income. They don't know anything except doing agriculture. In my childhood there was a lot of respect for the farmers, and I was hearing throughout my career agriculture is the backbone of our Indian economy. Most of the farmers doing almost free service to feed themselves and ours. They don't know when the floods will come, when cyclones will hit their crops and their homes, when they lose all their money, when banks will seize their income, properties. Still they investing on land with new hope of getting crops to feed their children and the country. For a small period of time, all all will be happy with the limited money or limited land, 40 or 60% whatever the government gives back. After that the realtors will buy back the balanced land, and then the story begins. All members of that family need to search for the new job for the survival, and nowadays getting a job is not an easy thing, and without piece of paper no company will recruit. You are changing the farmer's future from feeding to begging. The situation getting worse day by day. Now also we see many of the farmers come out from the agriculture and they're working on street shops as a cleaning boys, office boys. Some are working cleaning streets. Those who cannot do all this kind of works just simply suiciding. All of us want to see the farmer in a respectable position, not in a degradable blue collar job. I will give you a small example. To buy a small water bottle in the city, one has to spend a minimum 20 rupees. If you went to any village and ask for the same water, they will give gallons of water without any cost, because they don't have mind to back up properties. Their mind is very pure, their heart is very pure. Even they don't have, they are ready to give. They only asking the equivalent money for their hard working hours. Since 4 a.m. to 12 p.m. they are working under the all kind of weather conditions. In supermarket nobody will bargain. You know, you are elected as a respectable chief minister for our new Andhra Pradesh capital, so you need to take the right decision in order not to suffer the future. So I requesting you to please rethink on this issue. Nowadays all the developed countries spending crores of rupees in order to getting good agriculture crops, because people cannot eat buildings, they can eat only food. Thank you.